Welcome to our channel The IELTS Writing Test. I am a new member of Team IELTS Stream. Today I will explain with you task 2 of writing module so you get the idea how to write it. First look at the question. In recent years, more and more people are choosing to read electronic books rather than paper books. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages of this trend? The question is asking that nowadays people are choosing to read e-books over the paper books और इस ट्रेंड के एडवांटेजेस ज़्यादा हैं या डिसएडवांटेजेस बट वी हैव टू डिस्कस बोथ द पॉइंट्स. Let's look at the introduction. Books are the best companions of the humans. With the advancement of technology, e-books have become more preferable as compared to the physical books. In modern era, majority of the people have chosen these internet books as they have more benefits than negative facts. This essay will discuss both points in the following paragraphs. Here we have given the general statement that books are the best source to spend time with, and with the advancement of technology, nowadays people prefer e-books as compared to the physical books, and majority of the people have chosen these because they have more benefits as compared to the negative effects, and this essay will discuss both these points in the following paragraphs. I would suggest you to write 3 paragraphs, 2 paragraphs of benefits of ebooks and 1 for the negative effects, and 5 paragraphs in the total in this essay. Let's start with BP1. To embark on, there are plethora of benefits that are brought by ebooks. Plethora means multiple. There are multiple benefits that are brought by ebooks. Firstly, ebooks are more cheaper than physical books, and ebooks are जो होती हैं वो cheaper होती हैं as compared to the physical books, so they are easily approachable for every person. Secondly, younger generation like to use electronic books as they are eco-friendly. Since they do not require paper, no trees are cut down to produce ebooks. क्योंकि हमें ई बुक्स बनाने में पेपर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती तो हमें ट्रीज नहीं काटने पड़ते इन ऑर्डर टू मेक देम. सो टीनेजर्स फील थ्रिल्ड एंड वाइब्रेंट टुवर्ड्स इंटरनेट बुक्स. सो टीनेजर फील्स हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटिंग टुवर्ड्स इंटरनेट बुक्स. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद BP2. Moreover, the space is required for storing e-books is very small in comparison with the printed books. जो हमें e-books स्टोर करने के लिए स्पेस चाहिए होती है वो हमें बहुत कम चाहिए होती है as compared to the printed books. Electronic books can be stored in small pen drives or in compact discs, and it is easy to carry during traveling. हम ई बुक्स को हम पेन ड्राइव्स और कम्पैक्ट डिस्क्स में भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं और उसको हम ट्रैवलिंग में भी कैरी कर सकते हैं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, a large amount of content can be deducted from numerous e-books in a shortage of time, while physical books need more time to consume effective content. जब हमें कोई इफेक्टिव कंटेंट चाहिए होता है तो हम ई बुक से बड़ी इजीली हम उसको शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम में ले सकते हैं as compared to the printed books. That is why e-books are more popular among readers. Here is PP3. In this paragraph, we will discuss about negative points of e-books. On the flip side, electronic books have some adverse ramifications as well. Ramifications means outcomes. Electronic books have some adverse outcomes as well. The biggest disadvantage is that they require us to stare at the screen for a long time, and thus they may cause eye strain and other eye-related problems. In order to read e-books, we have to stare at a screen for the long time, so that is why many eye-related problems may occur. Hence, people have vision problems in the modern world because of the extensive use of computers. Because of the extensive use of computers, many people have eye-related problems in the modern world. Another drawback is e-books cannot be underlined, as students can highlight the main points by underlining them. जब students को कुछ main point underline करना होता है वो ई बुक पे नहीं कर पाते एज कम्पेयर टू द पेपर बुक. सो दीज आर some of the problems of reading ebooks. Let's look at the conclusion. In this paragraph, we will write crux of BP1, 2 and 3. To recapitulate, although ebooks have some detrimental effects on people, therefore, they are becoming part of multitudes' life. They are not only time-saving, but also cost-effective. In future, people will more emphasize on ebooks because of their easy accessible features. इन द फ्यूचर पीपल ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देंगे ई बुक्स को बिकॉज उनके ईजी असेसिबल फीचर्स हैं. दिस इज़ द एंड ऑफ आवर वीडियो. होप you learned something. See you in the next video. If you like this video, hit on the like button and subscribe to our channel for more IELTS related videos.